Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, I destroy and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Usabe look banamhlanje very nice.
Like her, so when you're nice like this, you have to compliment.
Yes. Hi guys. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions, ne? Would you mind doing a little couples quiz, Nyan? Just like 5 questions each.
We don't mind.
You don't
I
mind.
don't mind.
What about you? Do you mind?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you like it's whatever. Okay, come on my left, please. You're on my right. Okay, name?
Nosizo Gunene.
Nosizo.
Gunene.
Say it again.
Nosizo.
Oh, Nosizo as in help.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And
Andrew Rappo.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Okay, Andrew, how long have you been with Nosizo?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Still going strong.
Yeah.
Okay, where did you meet him?
I bet the interview. Say ngimlebe ngim-interviewer.
So amnika umsebenzi because he was cute.
Yes.
Oh wow. Come closer.
Ngamniketa umsebenzi ngekuvele ngamthanda. Yes. Ngamnika umsebenzi abenganalutho.
So wamfumana umsebenzi.
Yes.
And the rest was history.
Yeah. Lokunye kwase kuyadindakalela.
Oh, okay. What is it that you like about Nosizo?
No, she's kind.
She's kind.
She's giving.
Okay. What is it that you like about Andrew?
Inhlitiyo lenhle. Yeah.
Is calm. Okay. Do you trust him though? On a scale of 1 to 10?
7 out of 10.
7, leaving 3 for disappointment.
Indoda angiyithembi.
Yeah,
100%.
good girl.
Angiyithembi
Okay.
amadoda.
Good girl. Okay, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
I trust her. 10.
10?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. All right, guys, let me get straight to the point now. What we do on the show, we make couples switch phones, okay? So you switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Would you be okay with that? We're testing your loyalty, basically.
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you okay with it?
I'm okay.
Okay. You don't look like you're okay with it.
Hey.
Sir,
So you, what's a bag?
yeah. Are you hiding something in there?
No.
So what's the issue?
Hey. What's a bag, man? What's a bag?
So you don't want her to check it? What if we start with her phone first?
Yeah, let's do that.
Izinto ungaqali ngiyakho.
Okay.
Eish. So we're starting with whose phone? Have you guys decided?
Okay. Ungaqala ngeyami.
Okay. Eish. Okay, girl, password, passcode, just open your phone for us. Okay, thank you. All right. Please go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay, type love you. Okay. Okay, that looks clean. That's you, ne? Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, delete that. Okay, type miss you. Okay, Andrew, you're checking this phone, not me, sir. So what do you see?
That's me.
Okay,
That's me.
okay, delete that. Type babe. Okay, okay. Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors. Okay,
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Outside.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Delete that. Type pregnant. You need to check. You never know. Nothing. Okay. Delete that. Type morning after pill. Why not? Does she not use it here and there?
Do you?
Okay. Okay, clean. Okay. You can give her her phone. She's clean. Your turn, sir. Open your phone, please. You're nervous. I don't like it. Thank you. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you.
That's me.
Okay, nice. Delete. Type miss you.
Lerato. Lerato.
Go into the conversation. Who's Lerato?
Hey,
Andrew.
That's my colleague.
Okay.
your colleague.
Yeah.
Ooh, Andrew.
Ngiyazwekana ne-colleague yakho.
Sibona izinto apha.
La, nisendelane emanuthi.
Sibona izinto apha.
Ne-colleague yakho. Ngibani Lerato?
That's my colleague.
Yabona wena ukuthi ungijwayele Masimba. Ngiyakuthatha lana nginiketa umsebenzi awunalo uthuli dwaphu ngikuthengela konke ngifakele endlini emva kokuya uyahamba uyangithithela.
Give me the phone, Scott.
Why are you assuming I'm cheating on you?
What do you mean we're
That's my
assuming?
Mina.
That's
There- but there's nudes here.
Nuthi.
Are you sending each other nudes? With your co-worker?
Benikanye Saturday. Saturday lelanga ngithi ngifuna ukubona wathi wena awukho. Uphume nabangani bakho. Kanti uhambo waya kuLerato.
I wanted to switch off.
Khuluma uyekele
That's my colleague.
Akusi colleague yakho. Asimfonele.
That's my colleague.
How do you...
Ngamfonela.
How did you know?
Singamfonela. Singamfonela na.
We're calling her.
Better the tray.
Is she gonna say the same thing?
Ngijwayela kabi wena.
I don't think it's gonna go through.
Why?
She's at work.
Wathi ngani na 2070?
Ooh.
My sister, why are you doing this?
I'm sorry, it's my job. I don't have a choice. Oh.
Hawu. Ngadlalwa abafana phela. Ngeke.
So Lerato's gonna say the same thing you said.
Ngako phela utaba icolleague. Colleague empetseni.
Kahle
Kahle sawum. Ngirelax kuthini?
Lerato nakangaphenduli.
She's at work. Okay, I told you.
Ngamfonela utazaphendula.
Hey.
Can you go now?
Siyaphi? Sihamba siya. Siyaphi? Wena ungijwayela kabi wena.
Ugezile.
Hawu, ngeke.
Hey.
She's not gonna answer. What's funny? Let's go, baby. Like,
So, Andrew ngangibiti futhi ngabheka sewume nje.
hey, banna.
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Lerato?
Yes.
Hello Lerato.
Hello.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani? Khuluma nobani?
Ngiyaphila. Uyamathi Andrew.
Yebo
Uyini naye?
Colleague.
umuntu wami.
Yini?
Umuntu wami.
Hey, colleague yakho, umuntu wakho. Yini kahle kahle? Ha. Okay, manje nisenesikhathi esingakanani nithola?
6 months.
Na 6 months. Yakubona ukuthi inkulumo yakho akahlangani. Inkulumo yakho akahlangani. Uthi ngumuntu wakho uthi colleague yakho.
I don't know what he's talking about. That's my colleague.
Ngeke.
Umuntu umuntu wami.
Nangu Andrew. He's saying you guys are co-workers.
Yeah.
Sisona kaofela kanjani umuntu wami?
Wa itse re spana kaofela ka ntle le wena o spana yang
Re
ka.
spana kaofela jwang?
Ye?
Re spana kaofela jwang?
Ka monna wa itse. Wa itse re tla bua tse.
Ke eng, ke itse niks. Umuntu awusana
Uyabona ukuthi ngijwayela kabi. Uyabona ukuthi ngijwayela kabi.
wena bo.
Uyabona ukuthi ngijwayela kabi.
Ngadlala.
Ngemva konke lengikwendele kona utongibonga libhakede lemasimbi. Uyabona ukuthi ngijwayela kabi.
Andrew,
Yini akusakhulumeki?
Mara le
Ngikwendele konke ngakuniketa umsebenzi, ngakuniketa indlu yokuhlala, ngakuthengela tinto ungenalutho. Emva kokuthi wena
Okay, my
kanje.
sister, to be honest, I just wanted a job.
okay.
I just wanted a job.
Ooh, so you never loved her.
Hey,
You wanted a job.
God have mercy.
Nah. Mari, aga joina, rana too.
Okay, okay. Yes, sis.
Ngijwayele
Are you willing to
ukubhadela
join girl
Ah,
and have us tembo?
Never.
Oh my
Never
God.
on a Sunday,
So this is who you love. You love Lerato.
Yeah, aga yini ke batla fela spane, to be honest.
Hey. So wena bangisebenzisa kuthi uzothola umsebenzi.
That's okay, o ka nna re joina. O ka nna re joina. O ka nna re joina.
Are you willing to join? Do you want to join? To know. But if you break up with him,
Wena.
is he gonna keep his job? Or you'll take away the job as well.
Wakho sengikupheni.
Oh,
As we speak. Ngeke mina uhamba lala nalo, uhamba la utawuthi uzatokufakela nibhadane mina.
exactly.
Ngithilela kugula. Lo. Sengibelana naye futhi.
You're done. Nomsebenzi uphelile.
Koku.
Where are you going?
Damn it. Andrew, you can leave us as well. I'm sorry I ruined your day, guys. I'm sorry. You guys can go your separate ways. You'll make a plan with the job situation. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You didn't care about the relationship. I basically took your job. I'm sorry. There was no relationship. I feel bad about that, Lams.
I don't.
The job situation, no.
don't.
Shame.
Yeah.
You don't feel bad about
Siyayuzana la. We use each other. I use you to get what I want. You use me to get what. Yini mbatane iphili.
Is it not sickness?
STIs.
Oh.
Athi uzangitela ngembatane.
Shall we close? I want to go home.
Eh?
I want to go home. Can we close?
Let me lift you up.
No, it's fine, Dlamini. Dlamini, please don't lift me.
Sizoyivala kanje. Oh yes.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from us. My name is Lisa. Do follow me on Facebook. Lisa Serame.
Instagram.
You always used to say I'm light and now they're Cinda.
Welcome. Dlamini 88. TikTok is welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, same thing. Welcome Dlamini. Pinda. Yasindu asam.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.